Welcome to our channel, where we embark on a culinary adventure exploring international cuisine. In this video, we will be your guide as we dive into the world of global-inspired meals and share easy-to-follow recipes from various countries. Get ready for a taste sensation like no other. Scene 1: Introduction to International Cuisine. When it comes to food, every country has its unique character and flavors. Exploring international cuisine allows us to experience a myriad of tastes, textures, and cooking techniques. From the spicy, aromatic curries of India to the comforting pasta dishes from Italy, international cuisine never fails to delight our palates. Scene 2: Italian Pasta. Let's begin our culinary journey in Italy, the land of pasta. Today, we will show you how to create a classic spaghetti carbonara. With just a few simple ingredients like pasta, eggs, bacon, and cheese, you can whip up this creamy and indulgent dish in no time. Enjoy the rich flavors and silky texture that Italian cuisine is famous for. Scene 3: Thai Curry. Now, let's travel to the vibrant streets of Thailand. Thai cuisine is known for its harmonious blend of sweet, sour, and spicy flavors. In this segment, we will teach you how to make a flavorful Thai green curry with chicken. From pounding the freshest ingredients in a mortar and pestle to simmering the curry paste in creamy coconut milk, we will guide you through every step of this authentic recipe. Scene 4: Indian Biryani. Get ready to experience the bold and aromatic spices of Indian cuisine. Our next stop is India, where we will delve into the world of biryanis. Follow our recipe to create a sumptuous chicken biryani, layered with fragrant basmati rice, tender meat, and a medley of spices. The flavors of India will transport you to a land of color, tradition, and unforgettable tastes. Scene 5: Mexican Tacos. Let's now head to Mexico and indulge in the mouthwatering flavors of their iconic street food, tacos. We will showcase a delicious recipe for traditional beef tacos. With juicy, seasoned meat, fresh salsa, and a squeeze of lime, these tacos are sure to impress your family and friends. Prepare to savor the vibrant and zesty tastes of Mexican cuisine in every bite. Scene 6: Tart Tatan. Say bonjour to Tart Tatan, a heavenly caramelized, upside-down apple tart that showcases the brilliance of French pastry making. From the sweet caramelized apples to the buttery, flaky crust, this indulgence is a true testament to French culinary artistry. We hope you have enjoyed this culinary voyage through international cuisine. From Italy to Thailand, India to Mexico, we have explored the diverse flavors and brought them directly to your kitchen. Join us on our next adventure as we continue to discover the world's gastronomic wonders. Remember, the joy of cooking knows no borders.